Using the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, the percentage of babies with a birth weight of less than 1,650 grams is going to be closest to. All right, again, I got tricked on this question or a previous question in a different exam because my diagram just simply wasn't big enough. So we know that's 3300, and I'm going to keep adding on 550 or taking away 550. Right, so 3300 minus 550. And what are we going to get there? 27. So that's going to be 2750. I'm going to take away 550, and that's going to give me 2,200. So my next one is 2,200, and my next one is going to be 1,650. All right, so what it says is the percentage of babies with a birth weight of less than 1,650 grams. That's going to be this section here, which basically is, so if we remember, we've got 99.7%. I take that away from 100, which gives me 0.3%, and that's both ends. When I divide by 2, it gives me 0.15%. Now again, I work this out because I can. You should have this in your summary book with all the diagrams to show you what each of them is. So 0.15 would give B as the correct answer.